Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can download and install the Bluestack 5 beta version on your PC or laptop for using some of your favorite Android apps. So let's get started. First of all, you must have proper internet connection or Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can see that I am being connected to my hotspot. So the first step is you must open your Google Chrome. um, it will take some time because my laptop is old. So you are able to see here we come on the Google Chrome. You first here have to search for this BlueStacks. Write search, you can get it, and here we you will get the website on the right side on the screen. Go on it, and here you will see the Bluestack 5 beta version. See here you are able to see the beta version is written over there, and I had already downloaded. That's why here it is not showing, but you must have to click on this. Here it will get downloaded. I'm cancelling it because I already had it on my laptop. So okay, now we'll go in the folder. Let's minimize this first. We'll go on the folder where it is located. Here you are able to see this Bluestack. These Bluestack files are here. So you have to click one of these. When you will click, it will this is showing this message because I already installed the latest version of the Bluestack, so I'm not installing it double. When you install this, you have to download the 400 MB of it. So I will just show you how the interface of Bluestack 5 beta comes. So I am opening the Bluestack 5 beta. It will take some time. Here it's open. This interface you will get when you will download this. After the download of 400 MB will complete, you will get such a type of interface. This is very useful for using Android apps in your laptop, such as Play Store, WhatsApp, etc. etc. It is loading. Here you see that Android is starting, means it is starting over there. Now the interface is coming. Here you see, here is the Play Store, and here is the some system apps. I have many other applications, but when you will firstly download this Bluestack 5 beta version, you will get only Play Store and the system apps, not the other ones. You must have to after this, if you want to any app of the Android on your PC, you must have to go Play Store. Here you will be brought to an interface. Here you have to sign in your account. Okay, now I will enter my email and password, and then I will come to the next screen. So friends, here I had entered my password, and I am going to click on the next. So here the Play Store is opening. Here you can see the Play Store interface as you see in your mobiles. Here I had log in my account. So here you can search any app and you can install it very easily. So I am just for an example, I am clicking on this game. You have to just click on the install button, and then it will download itself. And after this download will complete, first of all let me close the app. First of all the download will complete, then the apps will be opened on the screen. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries regarding this Bluestack 5 beta version, please comment in the comment section. Thank you friends.